family. How are you today? I know I can't sing, but I do it anyway. How y'all doing? How y'all doing out there today? So, got something special for you today. TEMU! TEMU! Let's be a commercial for them. Let's see what's in this TEMU bag. I got something for the gardeners. Something I was so excited to find for the gardeners. I'm telling you. So, I got other stuff. You know, I'm a stuffed person. But it'll be all right. But I got good stuff for the gardeners. So, I'm just opening the package. I just ripped it open. So, it's me. Real impressions. First impressions. They did not pay for this. I paid for this with my own $80. But if you like this video, it's a Cash App in the description box and you want to treat me on one or two of these items, you can. I won't turn it down. But where's my other phone? Because I wanted to give you prices. And I can't give you prices. Oh, here it is. I found it. Okay. So let me pull up the order so I tell you the prices. Because, you know, they bait you and they will not leave you alone once you make that first order. I made this order on like the 27th. And it came today. Today is the 6th. So that's the true shipping. Well, my experience with shipping when you order with your own money. So, let's see. I made the order. Phew, where is the order? Yeah, I made it on the 27th for sure, but I don't know where the receipt is. Because it's kind of on that phone, because they made you download the app. So sorry about this. I don't remember, but the main stuff that I really wanted to show the gardeners, I kind of remember. And I'll probably put the stuff below. So the boxes are beat up because they done come all the way from China to me. So this is a preservation bottle. I didn't know I bought 4 of these. So I'm guessing 2 comes with the order and I messed around and bought 4. I don't know. I gotta look at the order. But, so you put this in your refrigerator with your herbs in it to keep them alive. And it has a little spigot on the back. So you can add water once you get them in there. So I'm going to unbox one of them for you. Okay, so it's decent size. So if you harvest your herbs from the garden, maybe, I could see that. I wonder, would this be a good vessel to regrow your spring onions in? I wonder how that would work out. So maybe we'll give it a try one day. When you take the onion bottoms and kind of sit them up here, in here, and see if they'll grow on the counter. Shoot, maybe that'll work. We'll try it. We may try it one day and see. But I ended up with 1, 2, and I do not think I ordered this many. I wonder why that order was $80. 3, 4. So maybe I ordered 2 thinking it was 2, and it's 2 per order. I don't know. I'll go back and look. This don't look like everything I ordered though. I ordered a dish brush. I don't remember ordering half this stuff, I tell you. But it's 2 of the natural dish brushes. I do remember ordering this. So that's 2. They feel pretty sturdy. Make sure they try to sip it. No cow hair, cow fleas. Okay, they feel pretty sturdy. These can also be used as a vegetable brush to clean your vegetables and things. Now, some of this stuff, I don't know, I could get easier. I feel like I can get, clearance when I go to Dollar General, 90% off or something like that, or catch a penny sale or whatever. Like, I don't even remember putting these in the basket. I remember, but after I did it, I say, I got sponges. I got magic erasers. I looked in the closet. I had a whole nother box of sponges. But these were like $1 or $2 or $3 for all these sponges. So these, I'll do those last because that was me being crazy. So something else they got that's pretty, I say a decent deal because they're pretty expensive on Amazon, bookends. So for the bookshelf, this was a cute design. It's a bunch of trees, but they're just the regular metal ones that you got to kind of put them up against the wall. I guess these will hold it up. And these are ones that say book. So that was a decent deal as opposed to Amazon. I think you save a few dollars. And then I think these was $2. Gardeners always need zip ties. So I even added to my zip tie collection. I must have did this in half sleep. Knowing me, I was just putting stuff in the basket, meaning to go take stuff out the basket and did not. So I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. So these are, child, boo. Boo. These are rubber strips. So you know how stuff fall between the stove and the counter. And since I am doing a deep clean, I want to use these. I hope they work. I hope they do what I intend them to do. But to stop the crumbs from falling between the counter and the stove. So that's what this is. Now I should have 2 of these. Did you do that right? Come on, TEMU. Because that's only one. Okay, so I do have 2. I did get 2 of those. And I think they do come as a set. So that's something I remember ordering. I'm saving the major garden stuff for last. My biggest saving. Okay, so this, the Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turns his face towards you and give you peace. Numbers 6, 24, 26. So, this, you probably have to get a picture you don't want anymore. And you can reframe it or go ahead and just wrap it around something you don't want anymore. And I got things like that. So I may do something later with that. And then these were some more pictures, some more prints that you can get Dollar Tree frames and frame up these pictures. If Dollar Tree have big enough frames, let me see, because I bought different sizes. And I just counted, they were like $3 and $4. And this is the kind of thing you can pull and wrap too on a frame. Okay, so yeah. Why did I don't think these are the ones I bought. Because it's like abstract faces. I'm trying, y'all. Abstract faces. Oh, that's another face. And okay, so I almost thought that was a body, but just abstract art. So black and white. That may go good in my office. So I know kind of what I was thinking about when I did that. But I'm going to have to find something. I got an idea. And if I got an idea, I'll probably share it with you in a short if it work out. And here is one. And they're not paper. They are like a vinyl-ish. Like a vinyl. Hear that? So that's like a vinyl. Then I got these. Let me see if I can figure out how to open this. Okay, here you go. So yeah. Okay, so these are more 8 by 10-ish. or not even 8 by 10. I don't know what size that is. But they are abstract, and it's a lot of them. So you can even put them in one frame and spread them out. It's stuff that can be, I mean, you can make this real, into something unique. So they had all of these, or you could just get, like I say, 8 by 10 Dollar Tree frames, or whatever size that is, and frame them up and hang them on the wall. So let me kind of roll them back up. At least that one. Then, let's see what this is. Let's get something big. So again, I spent $81 on this whole haul. The what? Okay. So something fell. But this hang on the back of the closet door. Storage. And then they got the hooks. And they even got a little newness odor to it. Not the best odor, but not the worst either. So, and I know just why I need to put this. But you can put that in the bathroom for extra supplies. And it opens up. Got the cardboard mat. That can hold a lot of stuff. That can even hold bottles. So this will be a good, if you low on storage in your bathroom, that'll be something good to have. And they got the hooks to go on the back of the door. So I know where that's going. I'll spray it with some Tide or something to get some of that smell out. And then, in fact, I could put that in the laundry room, I think. Got these little ones. Now this, I don't know. But these go on the wall, I think. Let's see what fell. Okay, yeah, so you got a string to tie these. Now, I don't know about this. I'm kind of having some remorse over this. But I'll find a use for it. But yeah, I guess you tie it with the string and hang it on the string. So that's I don't know, about $3. I want to say that was $3. That looked like more Dollar Tree-ish. And I end up buying 2. Maybe 2 came in the order. But this is my honest opinion of TEMU. After spending my $80. So, they have a program for influencers. If you Google it, you probably can get picked for their program. I'm not sure. But they do have a program. So I think this goes with this too. So you could do this with this stick. Yeah, that goes. Or you can do it with the string. But child, I don't know about this. But here's one more set of prints. Y'all bear with me. Because they did have some cute artwork. And if you, like I say, if you're creative enough, you go in Marshall's, you may pay $8 to $10 for one picture of these sizes. But if you're creative enough, you can probably do it for under 10 for all 6 or whatever. So that's how that worked. And that's what I was thinking about. And with all this stuff I'm doing, I'm changing up a lot while I'm doing this. So I'm thinking, okay, let me change up a little extra here and there. Cameraman. So this is another set of pictures that I cannot get open. Let me get the cutter for it. But while I'm doing that, hand me the cutter. This is what I really wanted for the whole order. This is the main thing. Now, they were $10.98 on Amazon. No, on TEMU. They were $10.98 on TEMU. These sell for $27 on Amazon. As much as $39 on eBay. So Ordered from TEMU. So this is a seating square for us gardeners. And it is part of square foot gardening. So it kind of, and it has the little seed, the thing to put the seeds and distribute the seeds and how deep the seeds go. Oh shoot, how deep the seeds go. You know, so you could just push it down to where the seeds go, drop the seed in or whatever. It gives you a little guide, a little chart. So this is what I wanted. And it's legit $27.98 on Amazon. I have not seen it anywhere else but eBay. And eBay wants, shoot, anywhere, I think I saw it for $43. So this was worth the price of admission alone at TEMU. This is what I wanted. But I end up getting a whole bunch of other foolishness. See, that's what I be talking about. That's what I be saying. I can't go nowhere. She cannot be trusted. So, this is what it is. But this is what I wanted. So when I'm seeding, I am going to use the square foot method this year to try to get maximum food from the little bit of space I got. So, let me cut this open. But just in case you don't want to see this picture, I do thank you so much for watching this far. I do thank you for watching the channel and subscribing, because I'm speaking that into existence. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, ring the bell. I do post deals in the community tab that would benefit the preppers, the gardeners, and everything else. So you want to be subscribed so you'll get those notifications. And as always, let me go ahead and do this before I close. But they got this wrapped up tight. They didn't want you to get in here. I don't want to use the cutter. Okay, I got it loose without the cutter. I might cut the picture. I'm so sorry. This is a good ending. This is the perfect ending. Remember this. 7 rules of life. Let it go. Ignore them. Give it time. Don't compare. Stay calm. It's on you, and smile. And we'll end it with that. Prep and pray. Plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. Love you to life. Bye-bye.